Hi, I'm Sue Miller with the Wisconsin Automobile and Truck Dealers Association. In this video, I'll be addressing a common dealer question. I'm trying to sell a used vehicle to someone who has asked for prior owner information. I don't feel right giving it to him. Do I have to? The short answer is yes. Under Wisconsin law, there is a specific statutory requirement that dealers provide certain information from the vehicle's title to prospective purchasers upon request. In practice, this means dealers must allow a buyer to inspect and receive certain title related information before the sale. That requirement appears in Wisconsin Statute Section 218.0146, subsection 2. The statute states that it is unlawful for a motor vehicle dealer or salesperson to fail to provide, upon request of a prospective purchaser, the name and address of the most recent titled owner, as well as all subsequent non-titled owners of a motor vehicle offered for sale. If the most recent title owner is the dealer must also provide the name and address of the previous titled owner unless an exemption applies by Department of Transportation rule. In addition to that requirement, Wisconsin law also requires dealers to allow prospective purchasers to inspect the prior owner's odometer disclosure before the sale. This disclosure is typically found on the title itself. Those requirements are found in Wisconsin Statute Section 342.155 and Wisconsin Administrative Code Trans 139.04, subsection 7b. So how do these disclosure requirements fit with today's privacy-aware dealership environment? The reality is, Wisconsin laws have not kept pace with modern privacy expectations. Selling dealers are still required to provide prior owner's name and address and to allow inspection of the odometer disclosure, which also contains prior owner identifying information when requested by a prospective purchaser. That said, there are limits. Dealers are not required to provide a prior owner's phone number or other contact information, and WATDA doesn't recommend doing so. In addition, prior owners are under no obligation to accept calls or other contact from prospective purchasers. Finally, with the increasing use of centralized title processing by dealership groups, it may not always be practical to have the original title physically present at the store where the vehicle is being offered for sale. Wisconsin DMV permits dealers to maintain a copy of the title at the selling dealership as long as the customer has the ability to inspect the original title document or an MV 2690 power of attorney when the title was held by a lien holder prior to or at delivery. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or ideas for a future short video topic, please feel free to contact me at 608-251-8024 or by email at smiller@watda.org.